front yard is the first thing people see, and it can set the tone for your entire home. Welcome to Relaxed Gardens, where we explore the latest front yard landscaping trends to make your outdoor spaces truly shine. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment with your favorite design idea. Water-wise gardening is more than a trend. It's a smart solution. Xeriscaping uses drought-tolerant plants, gravel, and stones to create stunning landscapes that save water and reduce maintenance. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and stylish, making your front yard both sustainable and beautiful. Patios with fire pits aren't just trendy. They create cozy gathering spots for family and friends. Adding stylish seating, warm lighting, and natural stone finishes turns your front yard into a functional outdoor living room, perfect for evenings under the stars. First impressions matter, and your front yard is your home's welcome card. A well-designed landscape with balanced greenery, inviting pathways, and colorful accents can instantly create charm and warmth. With the right touches, your front yard can leave a lasting impression before guests even step inside. Natural stone pathways paired with soft moss bring rustic charm to any front yard. This timeless combination adds texture, depth, and earthy feel that makes your outdoor space look like a peaceful retreat. Simple, natural, and effortlessly enchanting. Small front yards can still shine with courtyard-inspired designs. Adding walls, pavers, and container gardens creates a cozy and stylish outdoor living area. Courtyards maximize space while giving your front yard a private, functional, and elegant charm. Cottage gardens bring storybook magic to your front yard, with climbing roses, overflowing flower beds, and rustic pathways. These designs create a cozy, romantic feel. It's the perfect mix of natural beauty and timeless countryside charm. Why not make your front yard both beautiful and useful? Adding herbs and vegetables alongside flowers creates a functional, edible landscape. It's practical, sustainable, and eye-catching, turning your front yard into a healthy, living showcase. Move over traditional lawns. Naturalistic lawns with mixed grasses, clover, and wildflowers are taking over. They're eco-friendly, reduce mowing, and add colorful flair, giving your front yard a fresh, modern, and environmentally conscious appeal. Blooming flower borders bring timeless beauty to front yards. Rows of colorful plants along pathways and fences highlight structure while adding seasonal charm. It's a classic landscaping touch that creates warmth, elegance, and a welcoming entrance to your home. Minimalist front yards bring calmness and clarity. Using clean lines, carefully placed stones, and subtle greenery, you could design a space that feels serene and inviting. Add a water feature or lantern for a Zen-inspired retreat right at your doorstep. Minimalist front yards bring calmness and clarity. Using clean lines, carefully placed stones, and subtle greenery, you could design a space that feels serene and inviting. Add a water feature or lantern for a Zen-inspired retreat right at your doorstep. And there you have it, 12 front yard landscaping trends to make your outdoor spaces bloom with beauty. Thanks for watching Relaxed Gardens. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring garden ideas. And leave a comment to tell us which trend you'd love to try in your own home. See you in the next video.